An overhead camera phone mount provides stable hands-free recording for tutorials, cooking, live streams, product reviews, and content creation. Today's video is about top 5 best overhead camera phone mount that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Tiakia Bike Phone Mount Holder. The Tiakia Bike Phone Mount brings a noticeable upgrade over standard phone holders with its innovative 6-claw design. Unlike traditional mounts, the additional telescopic arm at the bottom provides a tighter and more secure grip, keeping the phone stable even on rough roads, trails, or motorcycle rides. After repeated use, the mount feels reliable and confidence-inspiring. Its premium build quality is another strong point. The combination of CNC machined 6063 aluminum alloy, stainless steel hardware, and reinforced nylon materials creates a sturdy structure that feels far more durable than common plastic or silicone mounts. It also helps reduce vibration and unwanted movement during rides. The thoughtful design details stand out as well. Adjustable arms avoid blocking side buttons or camera modules, while soft silicone pads protect the phone from scratches. The 1-second quick-release system makes attaching or removing the device incredibly convenient, and the 360-degree rotation allows flexible viewing angles. Overall, the Tiakia Bike Phone Mount delivers excellent stability, durability, and ease of use, making it a dependable choice for cyclists and motorcycle riders. Now our second product is GUANDA Technology Co., Limited. The GUANDA magnetic car phone holder stands out with its upgraded vacuum suction technology and powerful magnetic performance. Built with a next-generation vacuum system and 4-layer nanogel design, it creates a strong, dependable grip that stays secure during sharp turns, sudden braking, and uneven roads. The suction base feels stable and practical, with the added benefit of being washable and reusable without losing much of its holding power. One of its strongest features is the 25N55 magnet setup, which delivers an impressive magnetic pull. Phones stay firmly attached without noticeable movement, even on rough drives. For MagSafe users, the alignment feels smooth and convenient, while non-MagSafe devices can use the included magnetic ring. The 1080 degrees adjustment system adds flexibility with multiple rotating and folding points, making it easy to find the perfect viewing angle without blocking visibility. Overall, the GUANDA phone holder combines stability, flexibility, and broad compatibility, making it a reliable option for daily driving and multi-purpose use. Our third product is Andobil Car Phone Holder Mount. The Andobil Car Phone Mount delivers a solid combination of durability, stability, and user-friendly design. Built with military-grade standards and tested through demanding road simulations, it feels designed for drivers who need a mount that can handle daily use and rough driving conditions. The reinforced structure gives a secure feel and inspires confidence on uneven roads, speed bumps, and sharp turns. One of its standout features is the upgraded vent clip system using aviation-grade PTFE materials. The locking mechanism grips air vent blades tightly, helping reduce shaking and keeping the phone stable even during sudden movements. Compared with many standard vent mounts, it feels more secure and dependable. Convenience is another major strength. The quick-release mechanism allows fast one-handed operation, making phone placement and removal effortless while driving. The 360-degree ball joint also offers flexible viewing angles for navigation or hands-free use. Overall, the Andobil Car Phone Mount combines strong build quality, practical design, and reliable performance, making it a great option for everyday drivers seeking stability and ease of use. Now number 4, VANMASS Car Phone Holder. The VANMASS Ultimate Car Phone Mount delivers a premium experience with a strong focus on durability and flexibility. Backed by military-grade testing and years of product refinement, it feels engineered for drivers who want dependable performance in everyday and demanding conditions. Its upgraded design successfully addresses common issues found in many standard mounts. The larger suction cup is one of its most impressive features. With stronger adhesive power and a reusable design, it creates a firm grip on dashboards and windshields, keeping the phone stable even on rough roads. The upgraded hook vent clip also adds versatility and provides a tighter hold compared to traditional vent mounts. The build quality stands out as well. High-grade PC plus ABS materials, temperature resistance, and reinforced components give the mount a durable and sturdy feel. The telescopic arm and 360-degree rotation make positioning easy, while the one-click release mechanism allows convenient one-handed use. Overall, the VANMASS car phone mount combines strength, adjustability, and wide compatibility, making it an excellent choice for daily drivers. And our last choice is Aomiker Bike Motorcycle Phone Holder Mount. The Aomiker Bike Phone Holder offers a practical blend of convenience, stability, and protection for riders. Its top and bottom gear linkage design makes one-handed operation simple and efficient. Attaching or removing a phone takes only a moment, which is especially useful when frequently checking navigation during rides. The shockproof design is one of its strongest features. Thick silicone padding around the corners and back helps reduce vibration while protecting the device from scratches and impacts. Even on uneven roads or rough cycling trails, the mount keeps the phone secure and minimizes movement. Installation is also fast and straightforward. The tool-free handlebar clip system allows quick setup, and the wide handlebar compatibility makes it suitable for bicycles, motorcycles, scooters, strollers, treadmills, and more. The additional safety lock on the back adds extra confidence by preventing accidental slips during sudden braking or sharp turns. Overall, the Aomiker phone holder delivers dependable stability, easy usability, and broad compatibility, making it a reliable choice for everyday cyclists and motorcycle riders. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.